Hi, I'm Jay, and you're watching the London Urban Fishing Channel.
That's it! I'm done! Fucking hate fishing! Lost another damn lure!
Okay. Welcome to episode 3 of London Urban Fishing. We're at Woodstock today. Going to be going after some pike. It's going to be a great episode. This area of the river is like a pike sanctuary. They close it off during the spawn, so it just seems to be chock full of some monster fish. So let's go check it out.
Long time fishing, long time fishing.
We got ourselves our London, Ontario made pike leader, 80-pound test. Little snap on there. Hopefully this saves me a lot of money. And we got ourselves a Rapala Husky Jerk number 10. Seems to be a winning color for pike for some reason. This and the clown color, which is another one of the lures we're going to use today. All right, this is the first spot that we're going to check out. Very conveniently located. It's actually really conveniently located. It's only like 50 feet away from where we parked. What the hell are you filming? Fan it back. Here we go. Hold on, I'm getting attacked by ants. But yeah, this was another good lure here. Not the same color. The last one I had was more of a natural color scheme, and I lost it in this very same spot. This one's blue, but it's UV, so I don't know really what it looks like under UV light. But I'm sure it looks pretty cool. But hopefully, the shape worked pretty good. I guess we'll find out. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, that was just the edge. I was like, oh, I had one, but I didn't. We'll do another cast here and then we'll change locations. All right, I just want to do one more fan across everything. We'll do another cast here and then we'll change locations. So this is the second spot we're going to check out here at Woodstock. It's another good location. Never landed a pike from this spot, but it's really exciting when you get some monsters here. Just swipe it up at your lure. Looks really cool.
She's got the herp, and he's got the herp. She's got the herp, and he's got the herp. She's got the herp, and he's got the herp. She's got the herp, and he's got the herp.
It's what happens when you forget your belt.
Oh, my belt comes with pants.
Oh, you're just not using it.
No, yeah, this leader is freaking awesome. There we go, smallie. Got her a smallie, nice size smallie.
Whoa, that is huge.
Oh, I always get worried about, god damn it, fucker.
That's a smallmouth bass?
Yep. go. There's one. There we go. The bonuses of barbless hooks. Look at that. Nice. See, he's big enough to not get eaten by the pike.
Wow.
Yeah, really healthy. Really nice. Yeah. There you go. There you go, buddy. Nice. Woo! Obviously, we didn't catch any pike today here, but we did catch a really good smallmouth bass. So that was key. That was choice, especially figuring out what lure works best in the water. And that's always fun to do. So thank you for watching.